If you need to reset your FuboTV password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the FuboTV website. Go to the official FuboTV website using your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your FuboTV account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from FuboTV. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your FuboTV account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for assistance.